Model, this machine model is T9566NEFTF. This one input 200 watts, 9 kg machine. This one, this machine actually now we are not able to repair because the motor not available with the company. Because of that, I'm going to do the another modification. Now what I'm going to do, this machine T11, I'm going to replace this model T1166TEFTU. This model, not the smart inverter, this is normal washing machine. That panel, this is the panel which is I told you, this model 1166 TEFTU. This PCB, if we can fix this panel, after that we have to, this is the control board. Now we have to remove the harness from the machine and we have to fix this harness. After that our problem will get, we can resolve. This is the control board and same harness we have to fix this machine. After that our problem will get solved. But I have to tell, don't waste unnecessary your time. Again I'm telling, don't try to repair the PCB if it is having the same issue. You have to replace the motor only, that's it. And we will go to the modification step now. Harness line, power control box from the panel, and we will try with this panel. This panel should be the same size. You can see this panel, this is no any issue, the same size, same length, everything perfect. But this panel no need to fix here. The same panel which is the original panel we can replace with this control board. Now I'm going to remove this control board also from the old panel. You can see the display. This display already same, look like same. Because of that, without any problem we can replace to that machine panel. After that we have to replace the harness assemble, motor and clutch pulley, that's it. Our job will be complete. I'm going to fix to this panel. See my dear friends, it is as same. Without any problem we can fix this control board to the original panel. As same, only the difference, only the control board only, display PCB is same. Now you can see all the buttons should work after replacing harness. Now we have to remove the harness. Now we have to remove this harness from the machine, and we will fix this control board harness to this machine. After that, finish our job. We have to remove this one. And after that, we have to disconnect all the harness, all the connectors, inlet valve, and also here we have to remove this harness from here also. This one motor connection. This is drain pump. This is drain motor. Now we can take it out. Now I already released all the wires, the which is from the machine. Now I have to fix another harness assemble, which is I fixed the same power control box. Now this one, the same harness I have to fix. This is the harness which is I got. This is the correct. Now we will fix this harness to the machine. Inlet valve. It will come like that. Also motor connection should go to the down, and this is power connection. And also here pressure sensor, we can fix later. Also we will fix the pressure sensor also. Now it's okay. Fix here. Now this harness should come here. Even and we can tie it for the safety. Do the connection to the control board. I have to, this one actually, when I'm getting this harness, they cut the door sensor, but I have to fix only the door sensor here, wire cut and join. Harness for the new control board. This is main supply cord, and also we can joint. The motor connection, it should be the same. Also drain pump connection also okay. Only the problem, only this only the drain motor we can joint here, only coming two wires. That two wire we can joint here later, not now. After that, now we have to replace the motor only and clutch pulley. Motor. Now we have to remove this guard. Now I already removed the clutch assemble guard. Now the problem this one, because this one rib belt, but now I'm going to fix normal motor, and we have to replace this clutch pulley only. After that our problem will get solved, our job also will be finished. Now we have to replace we have to fix another motor and this pulley only. Motor. Now I'm going to fix this motor. This motor is okay, no any problem, but the problem this belt pulley. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going this one, this gear assemble, this clutch assemble already gone. I have to remove this pulley, and I'm going to fix here. Now I'm going to remove the pulley from the clutch assemble. You can see. Now I'm going to replace this pulley. I'm going to replace this one. That one also is the same. Now I have to fix this. Now I already replaced that clutch assemble pulley, which is this one I removed, and I've replaced this one. Now I have to fix only the motor. After that my job will be finished. Now I already completed my job. Now I fix the motor and other pulley, also drain motor. Everything perfect. Now I have to fix only the clutch assemble guard. After fixing, my job will be finished, and we have to fix like that 4 screws. Hi dear friends, I already completed my job now. I replaced the wiring, harness assemble, and main control board, wash motor, and gear assemble, clutch pulley, clutch pulley. Everything now perfect. Finally I check also. Now again I am giving power. Also I will check the rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise while while washing time. We can check like that. Anti-clockwise now rotating. Now it should now clockwise also rotating. That's mean motor function, everything okay. Now we will go for the direct spin. We can check the inlet valve also. Yeah, inlet also working. Now I will check the spin cycle, selecting spin and mid or high 15 minutes. Now I start the spin, direct spin. Now you can hear the noise. Drain pump is working already. Also clutch motor, drain motor starting spinning cycle also. Now my job already finished. We can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.